Whoa! Damn. Alright, guys. What is going on? Hope everybody is feeling safe, is happy, is fine. Let's begin right away with this unboxing and first impression video. This is the Tamron 20mm f2.8. I've done a review of the 24 f2.8 and the 35 f2.8, and both of them are actually quite good for its price. So let's open up this one as well. Overhead cam is working fine. Alright, as usual, the manual and the strange lens hood. This one is actually looking a little bit better. Alright. That's it. That's all. Alright. Dum dum dum. Is it the same size as the other ones? I don't know. Okay. This one looks actually quite different than the 35mm that I've reviewed some weeks ago. That one had a little square front end. This was just normal. Does it have a weather sealing gasket? Yes, it has. I think that's amazing for this low budget affordable lenses. Alright, 20mm. I'm gonna switch now with the other lens that I have right now, the Tamron 28-75, and just see how the image quality looks from a video perspective. Really close to the lens right now. I'm like I think this in total is 50 centimeters, not even, like 40 centimeters. Alright, what do you think? First impression so far, just like the 35 and 24mm, it looks quite okay, I guess. But this very wide angle, I think I'm gonna do a low budget lenses video for your Sony E-mount camera. But so far, this is, for video, it looks pretty good. Gonna show you some photos as well. After this video, I'm gonna take some photos and then you will see it. I'm not going to see it, but then you will see if it's any good for the first impression. Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already to see the full review video in a couple of weeks. And yeah, that's all. Thank you. See you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.